Hey guys, today is a very exciting video because I'm going to compare my red lipsticks. I have here Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipsticks in the shade Wifey. I have a free MAC lipstick Chili, Ruby Woo and Russian Red, and I have also a drugstore option from Makeup Revolution, and it is matte lip kit Retro Luxe in the shade Queen. So in a second I'm going to swatch all of these on my hand, and also I will put some pictures when I have those lipsticks on my lips. So if you want to see the comparison, so keep on watching. So I will start this comparison from my MAC lipsticks, and the first one which I would like to show you is Chili. So inside it looks like this. And I will swatch this for you, of course, here. And as you can see, it looks like this. And what I can say about this color, the name Chili exactly reflects the color of this lipstick. I mean, the color of chili pepper is the exact same of the color of this lipstick. It's a warm toned red with some orange undertone to it. And now you will see how it looks on the lips. I forgot to mention that Chili is a matte finish, and matte finishes from MAC are very creamy. They dry down to a matte finish, but the matte is comfortable on the lips, and it is also long lasting. So the next shade from MAC is Ruby Woo, and it is a retro matte finish, which means that it is more drying on the lips. The finish is drier than the average matte lipstick from MAC, and it also lasts longer than this traditional matte finish. So let me open this up. Here is the lipstick, and I will open this for you, and it looks like this in the tube, and I will swatch this for you right now. As you can see, it is not that creamy as Chili, and this red is definitely brighter, and it is more like a true red with a blue undertone. And as I said before, this is bright red with blue undertone, and this is the brightest red in my collection. And in a second you will see a swatch on my lips. Now let's move on to another MAC lipstick, and it is in the shade Russian Red. It's also matte finish as Chili, which means that it is creamy, comfortable and long lasting, but it dries down to a matte. This is how it looks inside, and this is the name. And this is how it looks in the tube. And now let me swatch this on my hand. And as you can see, it is darker than Ruby Woo and more blue-toned than Chili. The difference is definitely there. I think that Russian Red is like a classic red lipstick. It is not too dark and not too bright. It's like for everyone. So one more time, this is a close-up of my three MAC lipsticks. This one is Chili, the first one. It has an orange undertone, it is very warm. The second one is Ruby Woo, which is a bright blue-toned red. And the second one is Russian Red, which is darker than Ruby Woo, but also blue toned. So now let's move on to Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Wifey. And to be honest, I don't like this color. I think that it doesn't suit me. You will see why. It is how it looks in the tube. And I can admit that this formula is very comfortable. It is a matte lipstick, but it is very comfortable on the lips. It is not drying. It doesn't transfer, and it is very long lasting. And yeah, the shade Wifey comes from Jeffree Star's family collection. And I'm not sure if it will be permanent or not. But I will definitely show you this color right now. And as you can see, it is darker than any of those lipsticks which I applied before. It is like a dark red with a brown undertone. This brown undertone is not seen on the lips that much, but it is definitely there, and this is why I'm not liking this color on me personally. This is the close-up of those shades. This Jeffree Star lipstick is going to dry down on my hand, so don't worry. For now it is wet. And now let's move on to the last lipstick, which I would like to compare to these four. And this is from Makeup Revolution. It's a drugstore option. And it is a lip kit, matte lip kit called Retro Luxe. And it is in the shade Queen. Inside you have a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. I can say that these are a little bit drying, and I should add that I have a very dry lips, so this dryness can be different to everybody, but I'm saying that personally for me it is a little bit drying, but yeah, the color is very pretty and I really like it. So I will swatch first the lip liner, which is very creamy. And now the lipstick itself. I'm sorry for this messy swatch, but I'm watching me applying these lipsticks through my camera. So yeah, forgive me for this. And now I will do a close-up of those swatches. And as you can see, this red lipstick from Makeup Revolution is less darker than Wifey from Jeffree Star. And this is why I like it more. And yeah. For me, the Queen lipstick lip kit from Makeup Revolution has a little bit of pink hint to it. It's not like a true red. It has a little bit of pink, but not too much. And I think that this shade is really pretty. And yeah. Of course, it should dry down on my hand for you to see the real color. And as you can see, Jeffree Star Wifey is already dried. And I will also insert a picture of this lipstick on my lips. So one more time, the first swatch here from my left side is MAC Chili. Then we have MAC Ruby Woo. Then is MAC Russian Red. The next one is Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Wifey. And the last one is Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Lip Kit, matte lip kit in the shade Queen. It will dry down, don't worry. On the lips it dries down faster than here. But yeah, this is the comparison, and I hope you liked watching my video. If you want to, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.